Now I am showing how to check the profit or loss for every individual shipment. So by using this screen, we can see the expected profit for every single consignment. But there is a condition, like after vendor booking only, we can see the expected profit before giving the vendor bill by respective vendors. So for that, first we have to book the shipment. While booking the shipment, whatever charges we have added in the booking screen, and while doing vendor booking, that freight value and charges will be saved. So coming to this report, we will take based on vendor-wise shipments during that date range. So after selecting vendor and date range, if we click on the search button, then it will display the total charges list in the grid, whatever we entered while booking time and after vendor booking. So if we click on the export data button, that data will download in Excel. In that Excel or grid, first, it will display the consignment number, booking date, and next sales invoice number. It means customer bill number, shipment destination, customer name, customer carrier, customer service, chargeable weight, total cost means freight value, COVID charges, and fuel charges for customer, whatever we entered in charge type screen, and next pickup, packing. Commercial charges will be displayed from the booking screen. Actually, it is a manual entry. From that fields we are taking these charges. Next, customer subtotal. Next is the taxes amount related to shipment, whether it is IGST, SGST, or CGST. Next is the charges without tax. This amount will fetch from the booking screen in the additional charges drop down, whatever charges don't have tax. So while booking, if we select that charge, that amount will fetch in the charges without tax field. Next is the grand total. Next is the vendor name, so it will display after vendor booking only. And next is the vendor carrier and vendor service name. Next is the chargeable weight, then the vendor freight value. After that, COVID, fuel charges will display from the charge type screen only. In that screen, if we add the charges for the vendor, then it will fetch automatically. And last, vendor pickup, packing, and commercial charges can add through other expense screens. From that we can get the amount in this Excel. And remaining as usual, vendor subtotal, vendor tax, and vendor grand total. At last, it will display the vendor profit in the form of the amount and in percentage also. Based on the customer grand total and vendor grand total, we will decide whether it is profit or loss. It means customer grand total minus vendor grand total divided by customer grand, and that value will multiply by 100. Then we can get the profit or loss amount.